Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the very first Super Meteor out in the wild in the state of Idaho. My dealership just got this in. I ordered it as soon as the ordering became available. This is in the Estero green color. We just got just the right light to where you can see that it's not quite black. It's pretty close. Anyway, we'll just do a quick little tour around the outside here really quick. So, front LED headlight. Reviews say that it's probably got one of the best headlights on a motorcycle production right now. Turn signals. This is for doing your handlebar adjustment if you so choose. You know. There's your like maximum setting, I guess. Anyway, there's your information button. We'll go through that in a minute. Okay. The big improvement to the 2024s here right quick is this little thing right here on the 2023s. This was pinned in place, so they came out and they updated this so that way your lines right there aren't going to be pinched. So we're going to have to get into here later. Chain has been, the guys in India have been complaining about chain stretch issues. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. So keep an eye on that. So the chain doesn't come pre-lubed. So one of the first things you're going to want to do on this is to lube it. I'm going to go ahead and lube my chain with some 90 weight gear oil. Anyway, coming back to the suspension. Suspension is set to the absolute most bottomed out version of it. I didn't hit any big bumps coming home with this, and it was kind of rough. Anyway, probably just needs worked in a little bit. Anyway, so we're going to come over here. There's your tail light assembly and your pillion pegs. Okay, so we've got one grease cert here. I think we got another grease cert right here. Not 100% certain yet. Haven't been able to get this off. That's got to be a grease cert. Yeah. Or maybe it's not. We just don't want to pull that out. Anyway, so this is your battery box. If you're going to pull this out, you got to pull this bolt out first, I believe. And then, you know. So I'm actually kind of surprised because your brakes are just like in the perfect position right here, at least for me. So I am 6'4", and I'm telling you, this is the most comfortable motorcycle I've ever sat on. So we're going to come over here. We're going to check this out here really quick. I'm going to give you a really good shot. So if you want to take a snap of this, you can. Anyway, so your outside numbers there are miles per hour. Your inside numbers are in kilometers. There's your gear indicator. Check engine light, check oil light, battery indicator. There's the tripper. I may do a separate video on just the tripper. So, brake fluid reservoir, turn signal button. Okay, quick note on the operation of your turn signal button. You're going to hit left, hit it right, and then to cancel you push center. And then your four ways are over here. Just flip that over like that. And there's your four ways. So, and then we'll get into the box over here real quick. This is where your toolkit is. You're just going to stick a key in here like this. And then a little jiggly, and there you go. So there's your air filter and air cleaner. This is your USB connection. So supposedly there is a way. I will go ahead and do a video on this later. I'm going to go ahead and try to run my cable through here so we can get USB power up to the handlebars. So anyway, so should be able to run that cable out the back here. Is what I've seen the guys from India do. There's the integrated tool kit that comes with the bike. See, it's brand spanking new. If requested, I'll go ahead and do a video on what's all in this toolkit, but supposedly it's got everything you need in it to maintain the bike. So, yep, there's that. Anyway, if this video was helpful, if there's anything else that you think you would like to see on this bike, then drop me a comment. Alright, so quick adamentum to the video. I don't know if I'm going to make this separate or not, but so you can see I went and took the cable, I ran it up back through here, left a little bit of slack in here for some movement, and ran it up through the tank and pull it up through here. Okay, that way we can move around. Okay, that went back into that port I had before. Brought it up. Looks a little kind of grotty right now, but I don't think it'll go anywhere. Shouldn't catch on anything. And it is off the top of the heads. So now I just got to figure out how we're going to mount the phone on the bike. Be able to charge the phone on the bike. One quick addition to what I forgot to say about this is, compared to the Nighthawk, this sucker is smooth as silk. So bringing it home yesterday, I brought it briefly up to 70 miles an hour. There was absolutely zero vibration in it at all. Like I said, you can feel all the little bumps, but they weren't particularly terrible on it. So yeah, it's really smooth. I mean, I was riding in 20 mile an hour, kind of a rear crosswind, tailwind, and this thing just handles phenomenally in the wind. So got a little bit of excessive oil. I went ahead and lubed the chain up with some 80-90 weight gear oil. That very dark green paint is turning black right now. So to speak. So I'll pick this back up after it gets fully dark out here. Okay guys, here you go. This is the Super Meteor and its light, so you can see exactly how well firsthand this thing's headlights work. So there's the dims, there's the brights. Pretty decent view to it. And we'll come over here and there's a left turn signal, right turn signal, and brakes.